Go.
All right, this is a Blue U urethane-based roll that you had before on this assembly here. It was a collection roll. As you can tell, this is starting to revert to liquid form. This is why you're switching over to tape, but these are the ones that need to be hand washed right now. So you would want to wash these probably every couple hours. Just make sure you're getting, since they are the collection roll, and you'd swap one of them out and then wash the other one. Just keep switching and swapping, but you really want to make sure that these are cleaned up so that they can actually capture the contamination. Now, if it were me and I saw this roll, I would send it back to get recovered because this material is not going to last very long. But that's the idea, is that you clean it very similar to the way that you would clean a Blue S roll, alcohol and water. Any shiny spots that you see, you're going to want to hit up with that Scotch-Brite. Kind of hard to tell how shiny it is, but this will knock that down pretty quickly. Get a nice matte finish on it. You can see the difference between the matte finish here and the shinier finish there, just from scrubbing a little bit. And that rejuvenates the tackiness on these rolls. And that's how you clean a urethane-based roll, Blue U.